Unihertz Tank versus the Oukitel WP19. Which of the two devices has the best specs and features? In this video, we're going to find out. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. Which of the two devices has the best specs in your opinion? Share in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's compare the specs and features of both devices. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.